I'm Jeff Haverly, and I own my power thanks to POWERHOME. The installation itself was as easy as possible. They took care of everything. It was really, I was very impressed with them. The panels look great. They're hardly noticeable. In fact, in our neighborhood, probably most of the people don't even know they're here. When I heard all the details of what POWERHOME could provide, I was sold all along the way. My power bills are, last year this time, it was over $140 a month. Now it's $30 a month. It's fun. It's fun to see how much you're saving. I'm Jeff Haverly, and I own my power.